I looked at naming your business as a really unique opportunity. A lot of people never get a chance to name one business, let alone many. So I put a lot of time and effort into it. I definitely put my marketing cap on when I came up with the name. I looked at, a lot of the different criteria for making a business name from a marketing standpoint. And I guess I'll start out with the definition. Imago is the adult stage of an insect. In our specific instance, it's a butterfly. That's why you'll see a butterfly on our logo. I have a big flaming butterfly tattoo on the back of my neck. Who doesn't love butterflies? It was, basically the adult stage of a bug is not, a cockroach is a bug too. So we wanted something that symbolized basically the evolution of the business. And that kind of leads into our tagline, which is, it can be read two different ways. It's the evolution of manufacturing or the revolution of manufacturing. So the R is in a parentheses. And the evolution speaks, basically to my journey in manufacturing. So from working as a hopper jockey and then having the opportunity to, learn real machining skills and real processes. That's one thing I will say about that place. The guy did things right. Part of the job was cleaning up after your job was done. So I learned a lot of things the correct way there. So it set me up for when I did start my own place with the foundation. But and then working for other people in manufacturing, and then taking that and starting my own business and basically spreading my wings and flying. So that's why the butterfly is so symbolic. It literally shows me not only evolving, but spreading my wings and flying on my own. So there's the evolution and then the revolution, so it comes full circle. Also, we do a lot of CNC turning and, a lot of CNC milling, and you're either spinning the material on a lathe or you're spinning the tool on the mill. And we have lathes with mills on it, which, that's the ultimate evolution and revolution. And then I also like to, pride myself in, kind of pushing ourselves to always continue to evolve. And we're trying to revolutionize manufacturing in our own way. There's some people doing some really cutting edge stuff out there, not to take away from them, but we very rarely sit back and rest on our most recent successes. We allow ourselves to, celebrate our wins, but we move quickly on to our next opportunity to learn and grow. So that's really the essence of Imago and what we try and embody here when we open the door every morning. So